Oh, what is up, guys? Today we are building a Star Wars Captain Rex helmet. I'm going to be speed building this, so anyways, enjoy the video.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
There you have it, guys. A Lego Star Wars Captain Rex helmet. Don't make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And that's all. See ya.